Today I'm reviewing the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch laptop with M4 chip. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with the new M4 chip is a perfect combination of performance, portability, and intelligence. From the moment you pick it up, you notice the sleek, lightweight design in midnight, which makes it incredibly easy to carry anywhere. Despite its thin profile, it packs a powerful punch with the M4 chip, which is built for Apple Intelligence, delivering lightning-fast performance for everyday tasks, professional work, and creative projects alike. Whether you're switching between multiple apps, editing videos, streaming, or even gaming, the MacBook Air handles everything smoothly without breaking a sweat. Apple Intelligence, integrated into this MacBook Air, goes beyond just speed. It's your personal assistant in every sense, helping you write, express ideas, and get work done more efficiently, while maintaining the high level of privacy Apple is known for. With this, your data remains secure, and all tasks become easier to manage, making the MacBook Air a device that doesn't just perform, it thinks with you. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is stunning. Supporting over 1 billion colors, every image, video, or design project you work on comes to life with vibrant contrast, sharp detail, and true-to-life colors. Text appears incredibly crisp, making it a joy to read documents, browse the web, or work on spreadsheets. Coupled with 4 high-quality speakers, spatial audio, and a 12MP center stage camera with 3 built-in microphones, the MacBook Air ensures that your video calls, presentations, and media experiences are immersive, clear, and professional, whether at home or on the go. Battery life is another area where the MacBook Air shines. With up to 18 hours of battery life, you can work, stream, or create all day without worrying about constantly recharging. It's perfect for students, professionals, or creators who need a reliable laptop that keeps up with long workdays, travel, or extended creative sessions. And when you do need to charge, the MagSafe port provides fast and secure charging, while 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports give you high-speed data transfer and connectivity to external displays, storage devices, and more. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support make sure your connections are fast and reliable, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Software performance on macOS is seamless, and all your favorite apps, from Microsoft 365 Copilot to Adobe Creative Cloud and Google Workspace, run incredibly fast. The MacBook Air also integrates perfectly with other Apple devices. You can view and control your iPhone from your Mac, copy and paste between devices effortlessly, send texts, or even answer FaceTime calls from your Mac, creating a unified ecosystem that makes your digital life smoother than ever. The MacBook Air's combination of portability, performance, and intelligence makes it ideal for a wide range of users, from students and professionals to creatives who need a high-performing laptop that can handle demanding software while remaining lightweight and elegant. With the M4 chip, Liquid Retina display, long-lasting battery, Apple Intelligence, and a range of connectivity options, this MacBook Air isn't just a laptop. It's a companion that enhances productivity, creativity, and entertainment, all in one beautiful package. For anyone looking for a high-performance, intelligent, and portable laptop, the Apple 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch is a device that delivers everything you need and more.